Surah, number 70, of Quran Majeed. The lofty stations.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
سأل سائل بعذاب واقع.
An asker asked for a punishment sure to befall.
للكافرين ليس له دافع.
Which none can avert from the faithless.
من الله ذي المعارج.
From Allah, Lord of the lofty stations.
تعرج الملائكة والروح إليه في يوم كان مقداره 50,000 سنة.
The angels and the Spirit are sent to him in a day whose span is 50,000 years.
فاصبر صبرا جميلا.
So be patient, with a patience that is graceful.
إنهم يرونه بعيدا.
Indeed they see it to be far off.
ونراه قريبا.
And we see it to be near.
يوم تكون السماء كالمهل.
The day when the sky will be like molten copper.
وتكون الجبال كالعهن.
And the mountains like tufts of dyed wool.
ولا يسأل حميم حميما.
And no friend will inquire about the welfare of his friend.
يبصرونهم. يود المجرم لو يفتدي من عذاب يومئذ ببنيه.
Though they will be placed within each other's sight, the guilty one will wish he could ransom himself from the punishment of that day at the price of his children.
وصاحبته وأخيه.
His spouse and his brother.
وفصيلته التي تؤويه.
His kin, which had sheltered him.
ومن في الأرض جميعا ثم ينجيه.
And all those who are upon the earth, if that might deliver him.
كلا إنها لظى.
Never. Indeed, it is a blazing fire.
نزاعة للشوى.
Which strips away the scalp.
تدعو من أدبر وتولى.
It invites him, who has turned back from the truth, and forsaken it.
وجمع فأوعى.
Amassing wealth, and hoarding it.
إن الإنسان خلق هلوعا.
Indeed man has been created covetous.
إذا مسه الشر جزوعا.
Anxious when an ill befalls him.
وإذا مسه الخير منوعا.
And grudging charity, when good comes his way.
إلا المصلين.
All are such, except the prayerful.
الذين هم على صلاتهم دائمون.
Those who persevere in their prayers.
والذين في أموالهم حق معلوم.
And there is an own share in whose wealth.
للسائل والمحروم.
For the beggar and the deprived.
والذين يصدقون بيوم الدين.
And who affirm the day of retribution.
والذين هم من عذاب ربهم مشفقون.
And those who are apprehensive of the punishment of their Lord.
إن عذاب ربهم غير مأمون.
There is indeed no security from the punishment of their Lord.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون.
And those who guard their private parts,
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين.
apart from their spouses and their slave women, for then they are not blameworthy.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون.
But whoever seeks beyond that, it is they who are the transgressors.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون.
And those who keep their trusts and covenants.
والذين هم بشهاداتهم قائمون.
And those who are observant of their testimonies.
والذين هم على صلاتهم يحافظون.
And those who are watchful of their prayers.
أولئك في جنات مكرمون.
They will be in gardens, held in honor.
فما للذين كفروا قبلك مهطعين.
What is the matter with the faithless that they scramble toward you?
عن اليمين وعن الشمال عزين.
From left and right, in groups.
أيطمع كل امرئ منهم أن يدخل جنة نعيم.
Does each man among them hope to enter the garden of bliss?
كلا إنا خلقناهم مما يعلمون.
Never. Indeed, we created them from what they know.
فلا أقسم برب المشارق والمغارب إنا لقادرون.
So I swear by the Lord of the Easts and the Wests that we are able.
على أن نبدل خيرا منهم وما نحن بمسبوقين.
To replace them with others better than them, and we are not to be outmaneuvered.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون.
So leave them to gossip and play till they encounter the day they are promised.
يوم يخرجون من الأجداث سراعا كأنهم إلى نصب يوفضون.
The day when they emerge from graves, hastening, as if racing toward a target.
خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة ذلك اليوم الذي كانوا يوعدون.
With a humbled look in their eyes, overcast by abasement. That is the day they had been promised.